Good morning, children. Children, today let us revise the topic HCF or highest common factor. Highest common factor or HCF. Okay. You already learned about factors. Factors are numbers which multiply to give a product. Okay. Now let us see what is HCF of two numbers. Children, here we are finding the HCF of 36 and 54. 36 and 54. Okay. Now find the factors of 36 first. Factors of 36. As you already learned, factors are numbers which multiply to give a product. ഓക്കെ നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ ഈ നമ്പർ അതായത് നമ്മൾ 36ൻ്റെ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സാണ് കാണുന്നത്. 36 നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടണം. ഓക്കെ, സോ ലെറ്റ് us ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ഫസ്റ്റ്. 1 മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈഡ് ബൈ 36. The number 1 and the number itself would always be a factor of the given number. So 1 and 36 are factors of 36. 2 multiplied by 18, 3 multiplied by 12, 4 multiplied by 9, 6 multiplied by 6. Okay, these pairs of numbers are factors of 36. There are 5 pairs of numbers. 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9 and 6 into 6. Okay. Now find the factors of 54. Factors of 54. 1 multiplied by 54. Always start with 1, children. 2 into 27. 3 into 18. 6 into 9. These 4 pairs are the factors of 54. Okay. Now write the factors. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Then find the factors of 54. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. These are the factors of 54. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. Clear? Now find the common factor first. Common factors. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are the common factors. The factors which are common in both numbers. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay. Here we are finding the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. The largest number among the common factors, that is 18. 18 is the HCF of 36 and 54. Okay. Let me repeat this, children. Here we are finding the HCF of two numbers 36 and 54. First find the factors of 36. Then find the factors of 54. Then find the common factors of 36 and 54. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are factors of 36 and 54. Common factors. Common factors of 36 and 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Okay. Out of this, Which is the largest number? Highest number 18. This is the HCF of 36 and 54. Clear? Now let us do more examples, children. Next we are finding the HCF of 16 and 24. 16 and 24. Find the factors of 16 first. 16 and 24. Okay. 16, 24. Find the factors of 16. 1 into 16. 2 into 8. 4 into 4. Okay. 4 into 4. Now find the factors of 24. 1 into 24. 2 into 12. 3 into 8. 4 into 6. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 16 and 24. Okay. Now children, find the common factors. Common factors. 1, 2, then 4, 8. These are the common factors. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Out of this, 8 is the highest number. So HCF is equal to 8. HCF is equal to 8. Okay. First we have to find the factors of 16. Then factors of 24. The third step is find the common factors. Out of the common factors, find the highest common factor, largest number. That is the HCF. Okay. Now children, let us do one more question. Here we are finding the factor HCF of 6 and 18. 6 and 18. Okay. First find the factors of 6. 1 into 6. 2 into 3. Then 18. 1 into 18. 2 into 9. 3 into 6. Okay. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6 and factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Okay. Then what is the next step, children? Find the common factors. 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the common factors. 1, 2, 3, 6. The common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Clear? Now find the highest common factor, that is 6. So HCF is 6. Okay. Let us do one more question. 20, 20 and 28. Find the HCF of 20 and 28. First find the factors of 20. 1 into 20. 2 into 10. 4 into 5. Okay. Then factors of 28. 1 into 28. 2 into 14. 4 into 7. These are the factors of 28. Okay, first write the factors of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. These are factors of 20. Then write the factors of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. These are factors of 28. Clear? Now, find the common factors. Circle the common factors. 1, 2, 4. These are the common factors. 1, 2, 4. Okay. Out of this, 4 is the largest. So, HCF is equal to 4. Okay. So, children, today we will learn about how to find the highest common factor of HCF or HCF. Okay. The highest common factor of two or more numbers is the highest number among all the common factors of the given numbers. Okay. To find the HCF of two numbers, first you find the factors of the given numbers. Then find its common factors. Then find the highest number, largest number. Okay, that is the HCF, highest common factor. Hope this topic is clear for you.